Yeah, they think they on the highway.
I don't know what they think they is. But Blackjack better not never come back out of Yello Belly no more and put something on him.
Oh, yeah.
Put something on him. Hey, ask him to come out here. You can't pay him to come out here.
He come to XRP, he got everything in racing in that week, big.
I'm going right here.
Hey, look up.
Huh?
Your
you
video
at?
stay
Yeah, you can go right now.
But it's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube right now.
No, but can I go back on it?
You can go back on it right now. You can rewind right now.
But once you're done,
You get everything is available right now from on. It's already available. You can get on right now and start all the way over to when I first got here.
and once you end it, it's still.
Oh! Right lane for the win. Damn. That was a good race, right? That was just a good race. Yeah, he treated him. Yeah, he couldn't pick that up. Okay. Damn, what the hell right here, y'all? We got Thugger. You know he in jail. Thugger. This car won't stop, it keep going. Yeah. That's what I said. I should have said that when the old boy made that pass.
Man, you better leave this
I
thing.
said this car won't stop, it keep going. Yeah. You can press the brake, but it's gonna keep going. Car won't stop, it keep going. Oh, y'all gotta go. They gotta go. All right, they gotta go. They gotta go, y'all. Look out. One time. Yeah.
Y'all see us next Thursday.
Next Thursday, y'all. They gonna be at work, y'all. Next Thursday. Look out, look out. That's a small vlog. Look out, little small vlog. I said, car won't stop, it keep going. Yeah. You can press the brakes, but it's gonna keep going. I press the brakes when it's gonna keep going. Yeah. Oh, you don't like betting on? He be shifting this thing good though.
Yeah, he be shifting.
Yeah, he don't be missing it. What kind of phone is that? A Samsung Galaxy. Oh, yeah. Been all right. That's good. You don't remember me. Yeah, I don't remember you. What the hell?
3 times.
Oh, he came back. You don't
Bet on stick shift.
He don't bet on stick shift. Thugger for the win, y'all. I said this car will stop, it keep going. Yeah. Might got a slow start, but when it get going. It got a slow start, but it be gone. Yeah. Slow start, but it be gone. He ran on them digits, he ran on them. Yeah, dude, come down here. We would freaking love it, man.
Freaking love it down here, bro.
Yeah. They're like the battle. The coolest live streamers in the world.
Of all time. Ever.
Uh-oh. They got that juice, y'all.
I think this will be closer to people think.
It's gonna be a good race.
I think Chucky might get this one.
Been with Chucky.
Depends, he's been fucking up the light tonight, so I don't know. I think it's gonna come down to the tree. I think he's gonna hook.
Oh, yeah.
I think if he gets a good jump, it's over. But if he lets the turbo get out in front too much, I don't think he can catch him.
Okay. Right lane with the gap. Okay. Look out, look out. Which one?
I had the great Camaro. Which Corvette?
Which Corvette?
It's a black